Drano Ladunku Salam. Welcome to Face with CENTCOM. I'm Lieutenant Colonel T.G. Taylor, and I'm speaking to you today from U.S. Central Command Headquarters in Tampa, Florida. Let me take an opportunity to explain to you what we're trying to accomplish with Face with CENTCOM. In 2005, I deployed to Afghanistan for the first time. As part of my duties there, I got to work with a printing press, whose manager, Rasul Galoom, became a very good friend of mine. Rasul and I had weekly meetings to talk about the work that he was doing for me. And during those meetings, we shared many cups of tea and many meals. During those meals, Rasul and I talked about our families. We talked about our past. We talked about the future. We talked about the future of Afghanistan. And we became quite good friends. Rasul and I still talk on the phone once every couple of months. Rasul and his family were nice enough to send me a present for my wedding. The kind of relationship that Rasul and I developed over the course of that year is the kind of relationship I'm hoping that we can develop with Face with CENTCOM. Now I'd like you to take an opportunity to think about what your questions are for U.S. Central Command and what it is that we do throughout our area of responsibility that extends from Egypt to Pakistan. Write those questions down and send them in to us, and we'll do our best to address them and give you the truthful, honest information about what it is that we're doing at U.S. Central Command. For now, I'm Lieutenant Colonel T.G. Taylor, signing off from Face with CENTCOM. Duhudai Pa'aman.